Hi students, today this topic exercise 2.4. In first question, divide the following: A 9.7 divide 10, B 987.5 divide 100, C 7837.5 divide 1000. D question 37.5 divide 100. Now find out the answer. First one A. 9.7 divide 10 equal to what coming here answer? Divide 10 means shift the left one digit left. Here one digit having here. So 0.97. B question 987.5 divide 100. Here 100 having. This one shift 2 digit to left. 2 digit means here decimal point having. So 1 digit, 2 digit. So answer 9.875. C 7837.5 divide 1000. In 10 coming 1 digit to left. 100 2 digit to left. Here 1000 3 digit to left. 1 2 3. So 7.8375. D question 37.5 divide 100. This one here 100 having 2 digit to left, 1 digit and 2 digit. So 0.375. So this is the answer. Next question. Find the quotient. A 0.568 divide 2. B 5.085 divide 5. C 0.759 divide 0.3. First question. 0.568 divide 2. This one you divide 568. Here 2. Here did not put the decimal point. Your answer you find out. 2 how many times of 5? Here 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Next one 6. 2 how many times are 16? 8 times. So 8 2s are 16 and 0. Next one 8. How many times of 8 into 4 times? 4 2s are 8. 0. Now here 284 having, but here 3 decimal point 1 2 3. So here also 1 2 3. So point here coming. Answer therefore 0.568 divide 2 equal to, how to write answer? Here 3 decimal point. So 1 2 3. So 0.284. This is answer. Second one. B question. 5.085 divide 5. This also you divide 5085 divide 5. Here also did not put the decimal point. You now divide put 5 how many is of 5? 1 times. 0. Next one 0. 0 did not divide. So here also 0. Next one 8. How many is of 8 in 5? 1 times. 1 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 3. Next one 5. 5 how many is 35? 7 times. 7 5 is 35. 0. 1017 having, but here 3 decimal point 1 2 3. Here 1 decimal point. So same here 1 2 3. How to write answer? Therefore 5.085 5 divide 5 equal to 3 decimal point 1 2 3. So here coming 1.017. This is answer. In third one, see question. 0.759 divide 0.3. Here this one decimal number, this also decimal number. Now 0.759 divide 0.3. 0.759 divide 0.3, both you multiply for 10, here also 10. So here how to coming answer? 7.59 divide 0.3 into 10, 3 only. So now divide it. 759 3. 3 how many is 7? 2 times 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. Next one 5. 3 how many is 15? How many times? 5 times. 5 3s are 15. 0. Next one 9. Here 3 how many times? 3 3s are 9. 0. Here answer 253 coming. Here 2 decimal point coming. 1.25. Same here 1.25. Here coming answer. So 0.759 divide 0.3 equal to, how to come answer? 2.53. This one here decimal point, here also decimal point. Here multiply 10, here also multiply 10. This one 7.59 coming, this one 0.3 into 10, 3 only. So 7.59 by 3, here 2 decimal point coming. Answer 253 coming, 2 decimal point 1, 2 here coming. So 0.759 divide 0.3 equal to 2.53. This is answer. Next question. The product of two number is 131.58. If one number is 2.15, find the other. You multiply for two number. That answer means 131.58. One number is given in question 2.15. Find out the other number. The product of two number is 131.58. One number 2.15. Other number you don't know. So multiply. First one number 2.15 multiply other number you don't know means you put x equal to what coming answer? 131.58. So x equal to this number here multiplication having taken to that side 131.58 multiplication coming this side division. So 2.15. Here 2 decimal point, here also 2 decimals. So both you multiply 100. Divide 100. X equal to 13,158 divide 215. This one 250. This one now divide 13,158 215. So you take 2 number, did not divide. 3 number, did not divide. So 4 number, 1,315. How many days are? 215, 6 times. 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 9. 6 2s are 12. This one subtract 5, 1 minus 9. So you take borrow. 11 minus 9. 2. Next one 8. 215. How many times are 258? 1 times. So 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 8 here 5. 8 minus 5 3. 5 here 1. 5 minus 1 4. Next here point put, here 0 put. 215 how many is 430? 2 times. 2 by 10. Remainder 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 2 twos are 4. So answer 61.2 coming. X equal to 61.2. Therefore other number is 61.2. This is answer. Next one. 15 steel chairs were bought for 1,706.25. Find the cost of one chair. You bought it 15 chair. How many cost total amount? 1,706.25 rupees. You find the cost of one chair. Cost of 15 chairs how much? 1,706.25. Next one, cost of one chair equal to 1,706.25 divide 15. This one divide. Here point having, here did not put point. First you normally divide, after decimal point put. 15. How many times of 17? 1 times. So 1 15s are 15. This one subtract 7 minus 5 2. This one 0. 1 15s are 15. Next 15 how many times are 20? 1 times. 1 15s are 15. 0 minus 5 you take borrow. 1 10. 10 minus 5 5. Next one 6. 15 how many times are 56? 3 times. 3 15s are 45. 6 minus 5 1. 5 minus 4 1. Next one 2. 15 how many is 112? 7 times. 7 5 is 35. Remaining 3. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 3 10. So this one separate. 2 minus 5 you take borrow. Here 0, here 1. 12 minus 5 7. 0. This one. Next one 5. 15 how many times of 75? 5 times. 5 15s are 75. 0. Now answer 11,375 coming. But here 2 decimal point. 1 2. Here also 1 2. Therefore the cost of one chair. One chair. How many cost? 113.75 here rupees. So 15 chair costs 1,706.25. One chair cost 113.75. This is answer. Next question. A train covers 729.3 km in 5.2 hours. Find the distance covered in 1 hour. A train covers for 729.3 km in 5.2 hours. So find the distance covered in 1 hour. Now, a train covers in 5.2 hours. How many kilometer? 729.3 kilometer. So, a train cover in 1 hour. 729.3 divide 5.2. Here 1 decimal point, here also 1 decimal there. You multiply 10 divide 10. 729.3 into 10. 7293 divide 5.2 multiply 10, 52. So now divide 7293 divide 52. 52 how many is 72? 1 times 150 is 52. 2 minus 2 0. 7 minus 5 2. Next one 9. 52 how many is 209. 4 times 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 9 minus 8 1. 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 2 0. Next one 3. This one divide. No. So here 0 put. Here 0 put. Here 1 decimal point. Here 1 0. 52 how many is 130. How many times? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Now subtract 0 minus 4. You take borrow 2. Here 10. 10 minus 4 6. 2 minus 0 2. We added another one 0. 52 how many is 260. 5 times. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 1. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. Okay. So a train covers in 1 hour how many kilometer? 140.25 kilometer. Therefore, a train covers in 1 hour is 140.25 kilometer. This is answer.